In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the exception breakpoint error code. Now what you want to do is you want to open up two CMDs and you want to open them as an administrator. So do this twice, and once you have both here, what you're going to do is you're going to type in the first one, sfc /scan now, and press enter. This is going to start scanning, and you can just minimize it while it's doing this. On the second one, what you want to type in is chkdsk /r. This is going to scan the disk that you have. So just press enter and you can close this one down after that is done. Now, then what you want to do is you want to come here and you want to search for system configuration. Open it up, go to services, hide all Microsoft services. And then what you want to do is you want to disable all. So once you've hidden all the Microsoft, make sure you disable everything right here. And then what you want to do is apply an OK and turn off your PC as a restart. Now once you've restarted it, what you're going to do is you're going to come here and search for run, press enter, type in mdsched.exe. Press OK. And this should pop up and you're going to press restart now and check for problems. Once you've done all of this, it should be fixed. And after it's fixed, you can just head into system configuration, boot, services, hide all Microsoft. And then you can just figure out which ones you want to have on again, because one of these might have caused the issue. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.